The Penguin Who Never Forgot. João and Dindim's Miracle Reunion. On a quiet beach in Brazil, an old fisherman was fixing his nets when he saw something small struggling on the rocks. A penguin, covered in oil, barely breathing. "You'll be okay, meu amigo, you'll be okay." João spent days cleaning the penguin's feathers, feeding him fish, and keeping him safe. He called him Dindim, a funny little name that made the penguin chirp. He followed João everywhere, waddling through the yard, pecking at his shoes, even resting beside him at night. But João knew Dindim didn't belong to him. He belonged to the sea. "Go on, my friend. The ocean is waiting." He never thought he'd see Dindim again. He turned and there he was, Dindim, flapping his little wings, waddling straight toward him. He had come back. After swimming over 8,000 kilometers, Dindim found his way home.